Professional Effects delivers professional-level teeth whitening results and removes 14 years of teeth stains for a whiter smile. Usage instructions: use once a day for 1 hour. 1. Peel. 2. Apply. 3. Reveal your whiter smile. 1 hour Express whitens teeth faster than ever, even when there's no time to plan, and removes years of stains in just 1 hour for a noticeably whiter smile. Advanced Seal Technology's no-slip grip stays put so you can talk and drink water while whitening teeth. Usage: apply once a day for 30 minutes. You'll start seeing a whiter smile after 3 days with full results in 20 professional effects and 2 1-hour express teeth whitening strip treatments, each with 1 upper and 1 lower strip. For best results, use with Crest 3D White Toothpaste. Experience Advanced Seal Technology. Achieve professional-level teeth whitening results and remove 14 years of stains in just 30 minutes a day with Crest 3D White Whitestrips Professional Effects. You'll see a whiter smile after 3 days, and full results in 20 days. As a bonus, this kit contains 2 treatments of 1 hour express that quickly reveal same-day results for a noticeably whiter smile. Both are enamel safe and use advanced seal technology to help the strip mold to the unique shape of your teeth with clean and easy removal. Their no-slip grip means the strips stay put until you take them off, allowing you to talk and even drink water while whitening your teeth. Whiten like a professional-level treatment and remove 14 years of set and stains with Crest Whitestrips Professional Effects. When used for 30 minutes a day, you'll start seeing a whiter smile in 3 days. Get a noticeably whiter smile for that last-minute event in just 1 hour with 1 hour express white strips. Whiten without worry. Crest White Strips use the same enamel-safe whitening ingredient that dentists use, and are a safe and effective way to enhance your smile at home.